on diamond sky. She walks like favors on a fight. Every frame knows her name. Every heart beats her flame. Hollywood girls, the water slow. Wherever she shines, the cameras glow. She's a sunrise wrapped in pearls. It's her diva, Hollywood girl. Still champagne and Saturn air. Every eye stops, caught in her stare. The city bends beneath her hue. She paints the skyline gold and blue. Every scene begins again. With his smile, the stars descend. Hollywood girls, the lights obey. The night just waits for her to say she's a legend, a living swirl, eternal diva, Hollywood girl. No sunset can outshine her flame. Every year chants her name. She glows through time, her flags unfurl. The sun never sets on the Hollywood girl forever bright, crowned in mirrors, kissed by light. 1,000 dreams in one soft twirl, eternal